मैम यू हैव
ड्यू डेट टुमारो है,
11 है.
11 है।
यस मैम 11 डेट 11 है और 3 PM के पहले.
हाँ 3 PM तक
हाँ
ऐसे
बराबर मैम, सॉरी
3
एक्चुअली।
PM नहीं है, 3 PM मत ले लो आप, अपने हिसाब से रात तक सबमिट कर सकते हो, पर चैन की नींद सोना, इतना अपना ख्याल रखो। कोरोना का टाइम में ज्यादा लोड मत लो, टाइम पे सारा काम करो, टाइम पे खाओ पियो और सो जाओ।
यस मैम।
ठीक है। रिगार्डिंग एनी डाउट इफ यू हैव सॉल्व्ड, आई थॉट दैट यू मस्ट बी हैविंग एनी डाउट। ठीक है, अगर कोई डाउट नहीं है तो हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। I'll be taking the next distribution. It is expected that the next distribution is hypergeometric. Okay, hypergeometric. Have you done any time in your F5 first year BSc? मम्मा ये लाइट चालू कर दिया। In your first year BSc, you must have done hypergeometric. I do not know or remember whether you have done it. Please tell me if you have done it. It is just going to be the revision then again. I mean, a revision in the sense I am going to repeat each and everything again, but have you have some idea? Do you have some idea about this hypergeometric?
Yes ma'am.
What some information if you have, can you convey? Okay, if you do not have, see, you have um,
Some probability of successes without मतलब draw or without replacement.
probability of success is drawn without replacement. Okay. If you have n items and in n items there are k successes, and successes in the sense we are say for example we are interested in some of the important thing that we are representing as success, and the failure is therefore it is going to be n minus k. Okay, let us take this we are talking about the population. If we take some sample from the population, say for example small n, and it is expected that the small number of I mean, since we are taking the sample, it is expected that from this sample, some number of successes is going to picked up. Okay, let us consider that sample as uh, the number of successes is x, and therefore the number of failures is going to be n minus x. तो इस अगर पैटर्न अगर आप ये नंबर में से आप कुछ भी you can name whether it is about k or x, you can identify it in any pattern. So the probability of number of the probability of picking this number of successes is going to be probability of x is going to be, since we are picking in all this section, one of you have said very nicely that it is nothing but it is we are picking the sample without replacement. Okay, so if this is the case, then you are going to pick up how the items have been picked from k items. You are going to select this from k items. You are selecting x items. This is the number of success, and therefore the probability of success, the picking, what are the combinations from which we can pick the success is going to be from k items. We are picking the small x items, then from n minus k we are going to pick up n minus x. So n minus k, we are picking n minus x, and in the denominator we take the total number of items. That means from capital N actually we are picking a sample. In sample में से ये हो सकता है, and x is taking values. X is the number of successes, so it can be 0, 1, 2, and so on, and it goes with the minimum number of can you identify what x can take? So what x can take value? It should be minimum of either n or k. Now the PDF which I am sharing, truly speaking, I do not know what notations I have used there. Not I, the student, what student have used the notations. Let us see that. So with the help of one example, they want to talk about the defect hypergeometric situation. Consider an urn containing, consider a box, say for example, it contains capital N items, out of which k are defective. So here they are interested in the success as the number of defectives. Okay, their success is the defective. So even this is one type of Bernoulli trial. Okay, the Bernoulli trial is repeating, and it is repeating how much times? Now there is the difference between binomial. It is same as binomial, and it is, you can understand it is same as binomial and hypergeometric in the identical condition. The only difference is in binomial it is with replacement. Okay, and here it is not with replacement, it is without replacement. That is the difference, but the situation is same. Even here we go through by Bernoulli trial, where we have two types of outcomes. It is success or failure. Here, particularly when I'm talking about an example, they are taking the success as the number of defectives. Okay, then the defectives they are considering the success. So consider an urn containing capital N items, of which k are defectives. A random sample of small n items is taken. Let x be the number of defectives item formed from a sample. So here also they have made mostly in any pattern, whether you search for a Google or a reference book or any type of notes for hypergeometric, they are going to show you this type of diagram where originally you have capital N items and you have to take the sample from capital N items such that in that population items you have k number of, say for example, k defectives and n minus k as non-defective. And if you take sample, उसमें से भी कुछ डिफेक्टिव निकलेंगे, हो सकता है ये सारे डिफेक्टिव निकले, हो सकता है नहीं निकले, कुछ डिफेक्टिव निकले. So what is the way of picking these defectives? It is nothing but this probability. Okay, so let x be the number of defective items from form in a sample. And if this PDF, if the above PDF of a discrete random variable is given by this, x is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n. Yes, this of course this is coming from n, so it is restricted up till n, but यहाँ पर n ही नहीं है. जरा एक मिनट.
जैसे पिछली बार अचानक से सरप्राइज कर दिया था बिहार ने, इस बार कहीं फिर से सरप्राइज को लेकर के प्रेम मिश्रा जी हमारे साथ अगले कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता है. प्रेम मिश्रा जी आप
This person has not given complete range for hypergeometric distribution. I will show you.
डिफरेंट चैनल से भी अपने एक को देखा ये तो उसी अनुरूप ही है. तो मेरा मानना है कि अभी हम सभी को शिक्षा करनी चाहिए और बड़े भाटिया जी को मैं सलाह दूंगा कि पिछले बार की तरह पटाखों में फोड़ना शुरू कर दीजिए. ये बिहार की जनता है, परिपक्व जनता है, वो सुरक्षा पर ध्यान करती है. तो मेरा मानना है कि इलेक्शन तैयारी में नहीं वो उसी अनुरूप ही परिणाम है. रोहित जी देखिए जनता की सलाह जरूर ले लेंगे लेकिन कांग्रेस पार्टी तो कोई नहीं मानता है क्योंकि इनके पास तो ऐसा पटाखा है कि हर दिमागी में निकालते हैं, जलाते हैं, लेकिन कभी जलता भी नहीं है विचार और उसके बाद आके अगले को सलाह देते हैं. सलाह कर रहे हैं
Here you can see they are saying that x can take the value till n or x can take the value till m. ये m कहाँ से आया? You can see x is the number of n is the number of sample, and m here they are taking as what we have taken. We had taken k. Okay, so x is limited यहाँ पर आपको ऐसे लिखना चाहिए, when you are forming x, x is taking value जी, ये जो भी मैंने ये लिखा है, it is minimum of n and k. In this way you have to show the PDF. Okay, so I will where did I go?
अपने कैंडिडेट बने और पार्टी में जहाँ पर जेडीयू के लोग मजबूत थे, तो क्या आप जिला के आखिरी खराब कर दिया है? उनको पुलिस का सवालों के लिए उसके पहले जरा सा से कभी बाबा की मदद से कुछ महत्वपूर्ण आपके अपने दर्शकों को हम दिखा देते हैं। सबसे पहले हम बात कर लेते हैं, देखिए इस साइड पे अभी का साइड पे क्या कहता है? यहाँ पर आपके सामने ये साइड पे सरकार बनाने के लिए एनडीए और दूसरी तरफ और दूसरे पक्ष में यहाँ पर जाइए, अभी तक तो दो रुझान सामने आए हैं।
Also you can know this condition, your n is less than k, your n is less than k. No, this I want to verify. Otherwise this x is going up till the minimum value of n and k, that is very much sure about the distribution, and it is understood that hypergeometric is with the parameter n, k and n, where n is the sample, k is the number of total defective items from the population, and n is, yes, you can understand n as the population. So x follows hypergeometric distribution with the parameter n, k, n. So parameter in the sense, if you have any information about this, you can find out the other information of the data. So the usual pattern comes where you find out the mean and variance of the distribution. Now what they have written, we are going to use it in one of our findings. Since you know that we have framed this as the probability, so if you consider all the situation, if you are taking the condition for all the number of n's, you can say that by adding the probability is equals to, you can consider the probability is equals to 1. Okay, therefore if the probability, if you take summation from 0 to n, okay, all probability in the sense the numerator and the denominator यहाँ पर है, then it can be 1, and therefore when you are shifting the denominator to the right hand side, it seems to be in this way. This is just the result. They are going to use it in their further calculation. Now our usual pattern says expectation of x is x into p of x. So x into p of x is this. What they have done, whatever you can see with respect to x, they are showing inside, and the other term which is without x means x is the variable here. Okay, so whatever the variable which is whatever the thing which is coming without variable, I can see only this part, other things are with the x. Okay, so this they have removed outside. Also they are changing the pattern of this n minus k, cn minus x can be written as They are not changing this pattern, they are changing this pattern. It is KCX, they have removed KCX as, I mean this you can separate it. It is one of the property, that is NCX. It can be written as n upon x, n minus 1c, x minus 1. Okay, this can, you can use this as one of your findings. It is the property. Yes, कहाँ गई? These are the properties of permutation. You can see here anywhere where we have used the same type of pattern. Can you see this eighth point? In this eighth point, NCR is equals to n upon r, n minus 1c, r minus 1. You can use NCR as this formula also. Okay, you can open it in this way. Also, you can open it in this way. So likewise, you can make it opening in any form. Okay, so they are using it here. I hope मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको.
Yes, ma'am.
So yes, they are making use of the properties here, and KCX n minus KCn minus x, and k minus 1c x minus 1. Then you can say all the thing which is with respect to x, they are keeping it inside, and this k they are removing outside with the denominator n summation k minus 1c x minus 1. I mean all the thing they have reverted inside. You can see the operation mechanically what they have done. X will get cancelled and only these two things are remaining. Okay, now these two things what they have done, they are taking, since our x was starting from x is equals to 1, कैसे हो गया? Do you know why they have taken x is equals to 1?
मैम कंसीडर किए ना,
क्या कंसिडर किए?
x इज इक्वल टू 1 मतलब 1 से n मतलब इनफिनाइट हो गया ना.
अरे ऐसे कैसे कंसिडर कर लिया? पहले ऊपर हमारे पास 0 था, अभी हमने 1 लिख दिया, ये कैसे हो गया?
मींस मैम x के प्लेस पे 0 1 2 ऐसा समथिंग प्लेस किए ना आपने.
हमने तो कुछ पुट नहीं किया. Any observation? It is my call or your call? Shubham, for whom you are talking about? My call is getting connected for you, or your call yourself is getting disconnected. ऐसे कुछ भी बात करनी होती है while giving some notes or something, when I'm explaining, please talk and then it is understandable. Otherwise, I have to move it again to the link टूटता है. So where I was, here you can see when you are taking x upon k outside, x upon k upon x outside, it is understood that this k minus 1c x minus 1, it is starting from uh, one of the x they have removed outside, and since any of the pattern, these combinations are never with the negative terms. It starts from at least 0. Okay, and therefore if you put x is equals to 0, it is not going to satisfy the combination pattern, and therefore with the least value 0 you have to convert, and therefore you are going to use the combination from 1 to n. Okay, this is because of the property we have disturbed the formula, and while disturbing the formula you should keeping a track on the formula. Your formula should not be disturbed. It should satisfy all the constraints. So x should not go with a negative term, and therefore it is starting from 1 to n. Okay, because originally when we were talking about our this pattern hypergeometric, our x, the number of defective was starting from 0 itself. तो यहाँ पर भी actually 0 से ही शुरू हो रहा है, खाली हमने x के लिए we have changed it from 1 to n. Otherwise the situation is the same. If the situation is same, then it is looking as k minus 1 c x minus 1. So because we want to see the pattern with respect to 0, I think they are changing y is equals to x minus 1. So expectation, they are taking all the thing with respect to x minus 1, they are changing it as y. So n minus x के लिए भी they are changing the value as y minus 1. Y plus 1. So x is equals to, they are considering as y plus 1, and they are substituting here. Okay, so it is going to look as k minus 1 cy x minus k c n minus y n minus y minus 1, because of this minus. Actually this value of x is y plus 1, and therefore when you substitute the value, you can see they have used the formula outside. जो formula हमने यहाँ पर we had made it while starting the, you can see the pattern. If x is starting from 0 to n, kcx n minus kc n minus x, then its value comes out to be ncn. Now our x range is starting from 0 to n minus 1. See the difference. You can compare the value and you can substitute. So this value is from 0 to n minus 1. And therefore according changes you have to consider. So यहाँ पर क्या है? Now can you understand how do you get this value? If you add the upper corners of C, you will get n. And when you add the lower corners of C, you will get the lower corner of the right hand side. So the same pattern they have followed, and in this way you can remember I'm observing the things, and let us see I am correct it or not. If I consider the upper corner of the C, n minus k plus k minus 1, and then here what you are doing, you are just adding, so y plus n minus 1 minus y. So in all you are getting, yes, this, in all you are getting n minus 1 c n minus 1 k upon n minus n. Actually it is the way of writing on the board and then explaining. It becomes a very boring if I just keep on explaining the things. And therefore k divided by ncn becomes you can see the denominator, even they have changed the pattern, and you can use it by cancelling. For cancelling the denominator, the thing which is coming in the numerator, and therefore you are getting the expectation as nothing but k into k divided by n divided by n. So denominator of the denominator goes to the numerator, and hence it becomes n into k divided by capital N. They want to measure the proportion of the defective, and therefore in the whole population the number of defective is k items, therefore the proportion they can measure it as p. Okay, so yes, p, they are considering it as proportion of the defective items in the urn.
मैम
हाँ बोलो बबलू।
मैम वो आपने जो लिखे वेयर बी है या पी है, बी रेस टू पी है क्या ओनली पी है?
कौन सा?
मीन के नीचे में, मीन के एक्सपेक्टेशन के नीचे वेयर पी रेस टू बी रेस टू पी। हाँ हाँ वो
Where p, capital P is equals to small
k
k
upon n।
divided by n.
ओके
Okay, so in by keeping the same logic we are going to apply for finding the expectation of x square also. Expectation of x square, you know the pattern, it is expectation of x into x minus 1 plus x. So in this way you can separate, and you can find for expectation of x into x minus 1. Here also with respect to I think KCX जैसे हमने वहाँ पर एक बार निकाला है, यहाँ पर दो बार निकाल के you can cancel these terms, and therefore I am not taking the screen downwards. Let us understand here itself. यहाँ पर हम क्या चीज निकाल सकते हैं, ऊपर कैसे निकाला था, कैसे अप्लाई किया था. We took out k divided by x, k minus 1 से x minus 1. In the same way we can take out two things, x into x minus 1 upon k. Here we can take out k into k minus 1 upon x into x minus 1. Okay, so the same pattern we can apply, और नीचे x into x minus 1 है, therefore we can cancel, and therefore we are getting k into k minus 1. Yes, k into k minus 1 we are getting, and at last we are having k minus 2 cx minus 2 and n minus k c n minus x. So everything with respect to x, they are keeping it inside, and without x they are keeping outside. Here also they should maintain the pattern of writing x is equals to. Okay, let us the things which I have shared it for with a student. It is not up to the mark I am planning that I'll prepare my own notes since this was the first time online session. So we usually have the habit of writing it on the board and then presenting. Okay, so it is not with so many errors, and with the immediately online session we are in the process of how to teach with respect to the notes which we are getting now. I'm preparing that in my whatever vacation we are getting, although let us see what type of time I'm getting. But I want to prepare my own notes where the detailed discussion of mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4, it is not been done here, nor I am getting some specific time for preparing notes. Okay, so थोड़ा ये जो भी मैंने आपके साथ चीज़ें शेयर की थी, it was expected that you actually make your own notes where making help of what we have discussed in the class and whatever material I have shared, you can prepare the notes, and whatever doubts you are getting while preparing the notes, you can ask me. And it was actually, it must be the practice from yourself also. Let us see how we can deal it at the time of exam. So with respect to k minus, here also they should get x is equals to 2, and when you substitute y is equals to x minus 2, then actually your summation of y starts from 0. So when your summation starts from 0, यहाँ फिर बच्चे ने गलती की है, here they should write y is equals to 0. Your actually variable has changed, and you can see you can change with respect to y. So x minus 2 is equals to y, and n minus x. So what is your x? You can imagine x is equals to y plus 2, and therefore n जो n minus x था वो n minus y minus 2 होगा, because we are opening the bracket, and therefore the formula says that you are adding the upper components of combination, and when you add them, what you are getting n minus 2, and when you are adding the lower component of the combination, you are getting n minus 2, small n minus 2, and therefore you can reduce this n minus n to this form. It is same like factorial which we have used it in our F5 BSc. Okay, and in the same way we can cancel it and we can get the terms. This term is one part of the expectation of x square. This was the first part. It was actually expectation of x into x minus 1 plus expectation of x, and therefore expectation of x, capital P लिखना चाहिए इनको. You stick on with either small letter or capital letter, change नहीं करते रहना. So it is understood that this is the proportion they are talking about, and when you mechanically substitute this part in your variance, what do we get? we get up till here n minus n upon n minus 1 npq. Okay, although I will share the material, whatever I am discussing at the time of lecture, I'll prepare the notes, and at the end I will share it with you. Whatever doubts if you have, you can ask me for today's session. This is all about hypergeometry. Okay. So anybody must have said in between.
मैम
बोलो.
मैम मुझे वो लास्ट टाइम जो आपने इसका क्या नाम बायनोमियल नहीं बायनोमियल नहीं पॉइजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पढ़ा नहीं ज्योमेट्री डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पढ़ाए थे ना मैम. तो उसका मुझे वेरिएंस जो मीन होता है ना मैम जो आपने दिखाए थे कि पी ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स इज इक्वल टू समेशन ऑफ एक्स 0 to infinity.
Poisson distribution.
हाँ पॉइजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इनटू पी इंटू एक्स इंटू क्यू रेस टू एक्स इंटू पी. तो मैम उसमें आपने जो माइनस की वहाँ पे डबल पी और क्यू मतलब आउटसाइड में कैसे आता है पी और क्यू जो मीन निकालते तब.
Poisson distribution में.
हाँ मैम नहीं ज्योमेट्री मैम जो अपने फोर्थ
Geometric
लेसन
में.
पढ़ाए ना. हाँ फोर्थ लेसन पढ़ाए थे ना मैम. तो उसमें आपने जो अपने जो ब्रैकेट के बाहर p इंटू क्यू को बाहर लिए थे और आगे लेके सॉल्व किए थे वो नहीं समझ में आता कि वो p और q कैसे बाहर आ रहे हैं.
P और Q बाहर इसलिए लेते हैं, हमें अंदर एक फॉर्मूला तैयार करना होता है. फॉर्मूला बनाने के लिए P और Q बाहर लेते हैं हम वहाँ पर. अंदर
उसको ऐसा भी
फॉर्मूला बनेगा, उसको वैसे फॉर्म करने के लिए हम PQ वैसे बाहर लेते हैं. आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा.
मैम आज मैंने दूसरे मेथड से किया लेकिन सेम वैसे आंसर आया तो चलेगा क्या.
कौन सा मेथड से किया.
मतलब मैंने क्या किया मैम जैसे आपने जहाँ पे आप डायरेक्टली अभी लेते थे ना जो क्यू रेस टू एक्स इंटू पी लेते थे तो मैंने वहाँ पे लिया एक्स इंटू एफ ऑफ एक्स लेके फिर मैंने एफ ऑफ एक्स के प्लेस पे मैंने क्यू ऑफ एक्स इंटू पी रख दिया और उसमें मैंने 0 पहला पुट किया तो पहला टर्म 0 आया फिर
इधर
1
कौन सा बोल रहे हो आप. एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स.
हाँ मैम यही.
तो P
ये
और Q को कहाँ बाहर निकाला.
ये है ना मैम ये
P को
नहीं
बाहर निकाला
इसको
है खाली.
हाँ पी को बाहर निकाला फिर ये आपका वो एक्स और एक्स रेस टू -1 कहाँ पे चला गया.
हाँ, तो इसको मैंने इस फॉर्म में लिखा ना. दिस इज लुकिंग एज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ Q रेज टू एक्स. This term is looking as if we have taken the derivative of Q raised to x.
मैम ये आपने इसका x इंटू क्यू रेस टू एक्स -1 तो यहाँ प्रोडक्ट मेथड लगाया ना आपने.
मैंने यहाँ पर कोई प्रोडक्ट मेथड नहीं लगाया. मैंने सीधा बोल दिया कि दिस इज नथिंग बट इट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ Q रेज टू एक्स. आप एक बार इसका डेरिवेटिव लोगे तो ये ऐसे दिखेगा एंड देन you are playing some game to get the result. So what play I have formed, you can see this because it is looking with respect to the formula of taking the derivative of Q raised to x. Purposely I have written this and then I have interchanged. Okay, I have interchanged the summation and this. You can see summation को मैंने अंदर लेके इसका फॉर्मूला यूज किया है.
मैम
और
तो ये
एक
अपने ये कहाँ गया मेरा, मतलब x इंटू क्यू रेस्ट टू एक्स माइनस वन, तो x को कैंसिल किया ना, डी एक्स अपन डी हो गया. ये x कहाँ पे गया अपना, x इंटू क्यू रेस्ट टू एक्स माइनस वन है ना मैम.
q रेज टू x माइनस वन क्या बोल रहे हो आप, वापिस से बोलो.
मैम जो आपने p इंटू समेशन में x वन रेस्ट टू इन्फिनिटी इंटू x इंटू एक्स क्यू रेस्ट टू एक्स माइनस वन, तो ये x कहाँ पे गया मैम.
इसको
ऊपर वाला मैम, ऊपर वाला, हाँ वो वाला x.
अरे मैं यही बोल रही हूँ कि ये मैंने इस फॉर्म में लिखा है, फॉर्मूले टाइप में लिखा है. इसका
मतलब x
मतलब
इंटू,
है, सुनो, ये पूरा x इंटू क्यू रेज टू एक्स माइनस वन का मतलब है डेरिवेटिव ऑफ क्यू रेज टू एक्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू क्यू, या टेकिंग डेरिवेटिव ऑफ क्यू रेज टू एक्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू क्यू. ये पूरे ऊपर टर्म का मतलब ये है.
ओके मैम. तो मैंने मैम कैसा किया बताया, x इंटू एफ ऑफ एक्स लेके किया तो मेरा आंसर तो आया इतना, p अपॉन क्यू, फिर p कैंसिल किया तो वो भी आया आंसर.
एफ इंटू क्यू रेज टू एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स का फॉर्मूला कैसे अप्लाई किया,
मैंने
आप
पहले
एक बार
लिखा.
ग्रुप में डाल देना. जो भी आपने
ओके
किया
मैम.
है एक बार ग्रुप में आप डाल दो, वहां पर मैं वेरीफाई करती हूँ.
ओके मैम, ठीक.
Okay, so this was our last session before the Diwali vacation. Hope you all enjoy your vacation, and happy Diwali to all of you.
हैप्पी दिवाली मैम.
And we will meet again with some of the new findings in our lectures. What I have planned that जो भी मैंने आपके साथ लिंक शेयर किए हैं, whether it is for paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, ये लिंक से, उसी लिंक से आप अंदर आओगे. लेकिन जो मंडे का सेशन है वो हमें 2 सेशंस मिल रहे हैं. So that I want to keep it for I am planning that I want to keep it for a practical or any solving part where we need a lot of time. Okay, so simultaneous solving part, whether it is from my side or from your side, or any verification, I will be doing on Monday. Eitherwise, all the other things, all the other lectures, पेपर 1 का तो वैसे ही रहेगा. जो एक्स्ट्रा टर्न प्रैक्टिकल का आया है वो आई एम थिंकिंग दैट वी विल डू पेपर 2 on that practical time. Okay, we'll see. And whatever doubts you are having, you can ask me anytime. It is expected that tomorrow you will submit your practical, okay, with referring to all the notes and results. Also, I said that the 5th part of the practical is not yet discussed in the class, so no need to solve that part. 5th of both the inner PDF you can see. And yes, I'm stopping the lecture here. Happy Diwali to all of you. Stay happy.